So here we are in Crandon Park, the home to the famous Miami Open, the tennis courts held by champions. The umpire's chair, they've shaded this time, and you can see a collection of tennis balls around the periphery. Deserted, empty studios all around the stadium. 1980s Formica ware in the rooms. Press area, the lights are on. There are a couple of fire extinguishers, but mostly empty and abandoned. And if we look down to the side, we see where the tennis balls that have been lost end up in the graveyard to tennis. And we see nature starting to reclaim its roots in the stadium as it goes into levels of disrepair. Water running, wind going, occasional movement of plastic, tennis tournament, the county outside, a couple of people wandering around. You can go into one of the television booths for commentators, but that's because that's where the alarm systems are.